Hey everyone, as you might already know, Alphabet has been investing tens of billions of dollars to expand its artificial intelligence capabilities. Now, investors are growing concerned and want to hear more about Alphabet in terms of how they're going to monetize all of these investments. So I thought this would be a good time to do a video elaborating on what management thinks about and how management is considering monetizing all these AI investments. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now. So the CEO of Alphabet was asked this question about the AI investments, and in response to that question, the CEO said that there's a time curve in terms of taking the underlying technology and translating it into meaningful solutions across the board, both on the consumer and the enterprise side. So in other words, the CEO saying is, first we're building out the capabilities, and then it's going to take some time to look at those capabilities and decide and implement and produce those products and services that we think will be best for the company, that fit best with our technologies and services. For now, it seems as though the company is enthusiastic about the potential of artificial intelligence, and they are confident that they can turn these investments into monetizable products and services. For instance, they talk about products like search, and they're working at ways to make artificial intelligence additive and enhance the overall experience, and it's so far positively contributing there. One thing they've been working on is the AI overviews. They haven't launched that completely. They're kind of rolling it out in steps. And so far, the feedback they're getting is that these AI overviews are contributing positively to the search experience. So consumers appreciate this service, even though Alphabet hasn't really decided how they're going to monetize this and how they're going to align it with search results and sponsored ads, etc. But they like that customers like it. And so as long as the customers like it and they're using it and they're engaging with it, monetization is the easier part of that problem. The more difficult part, the more challenging part is enhancing the consumer experience, increasing the customer value proposition. If you increase that, you can work on monetization later. And that's essentially what the company says, that they're seeing progress on the organic side, and monetization is something we will have to earn on top of it. Now, given Alphabet's history and their ability to turn free products and services into hundreds of billions of dollars in revenue with very high profit margins, I think investors can be reasonably confident that Alphabet will find good solutions, good products, and good monetization opportunities from its AI investments. That's one reason when I'm investing in a company, I look at its history of innovation. Companies like Alphabet and Apple and Netflix that have demonstrated years and years and years of innovating, of delivering products and services that customers love, is a good indicator that they'll be able to do that in the future. And so that's something that is an attractive area for investment opportunity, is when you have a company that's been able to innovate not just once, not just twice, but repeatedly over several years, which Alphabet has certainly done and has certainly proven with its over six products that have over 1 billion monthly active users. So that's impressive. They've earned that trust from me because of their historical performance, and I'm giving them some rope here to come up with monetization opportunities from their AI investments. And the company is saying that some of the early areas that are seeing the biggest benefits from artificial intelligence are coding and customer service. Coding and customer service are the two primary categories where artificial intelligence is helping right now, but there's going to be more use cases. Right now, those are just the ones that are primarily in use, the ones where they're adding the most value. But there's a lot of opportunity to unlock, and management is saying that here, that there's a lot of hard work there to completely unlock these opportunities. But those opportunities are there. It's close enough where you can see how they can increase the capability, increase the ability of these artificial intelligence models to hit these certain use cases. And when they hit these use cases, that's monetization opportunity, right? Because businesses are paying significant sums of money for customer service. If you can lower the cost of customer service through artificial intelligence, through AI chatbots, then you're offering a business a significant cost savings, which they'll be willing to pay you significant sums of money for. Additionally, using artificial intelligence for customer service could provide a quality improvement, because right now customer service agents are not as well versed in a company's products and services and information about the company. But if you have an AI that's very well trained on the proprietary information about the company, then when a customer asks a question, that AI chatbot will be better trained to deliver an answer to those questions. So you have an ability to improve quality and reduce cost here. And so that's a big opportunity Alphabet working to solve, and that will bring monetization on the back of that improvement. And of course, all of these investments in artificial intelligence are raising concerns from investors about costs. And Alphabet saying that we're focused on durably re-engineering our cost base. They're working on product and process prioritization around organizational efficiency and structure. And I will give them credit for taking serious attention to their cost structure. For years, I've noticed Alphabet be a little bit loosey-goosey in terms of how they manage their cost. They've allowed their cost base to get bloated. And in 2023, they finally took it seriously. They finally did some serious cost cutting, and they've continued that focus throughout 2024. And they're using those cost savings to now open up more capital to invest in artificial intelligence, because they're now more better aligned across their categories. Their cost base is better aligned, and so now they feel confident that they can invest in artificial intelligence without those investments meaningfully hurting the lucrative operating profit margin that Alphabet operates with. So speaking about the AI overviews, the company CEO saying that they've rolled it out in the US and they will be throughout this year scaling it up both to more countries, and noting that they started it out conservatively. So based on the results they've seen, they've liked it, and they're going to now roll it out more broadly. And of course, those developments in search are concerning many investors. Not only is Alphabet innovating itself, right, bringing improvements to search, but also ChatGPT is launching SearchGPT. And so Alphabet's search business is under greater risk, and investors have noticed. And the senior VP of Google saying that innovation and improvements to the user experience on search have historically opened up new opportunities for advertisers. And soon we'll actually start testing search and shopping ads in AI overviews for users in the US. So they're coming out with this new feature, AI overviews. They're not yet fully monetizing this, and they haven't even rolled out AI overviews broadly. They've just rolled it out in segments, and they've liked what they've seen, and they're going to roll it out more broadly. And then they're going to start testing advertisements, search and shopping ads in AI overviews. And given what I said earlier, the company's ability that they've demonstrated over decades in monetizing and delivering lucrative profit margins to investors, you can be reasonably confident that they'll figure this out and they'll generate those strong profit margins going forward, even though they might lose some market share in search. Before I let you go, let me tell you about the greatest deal on YouTube. With just a click of a button, you can get free financial analysis from a professor with decades of investing experience. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon.